how to fix AJIO app not working. So if you want to fix AJIO app not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. And here you need to go with manage apps and search for AJIO app. In my country, it's not available, but if it's available in your country, then if it's installed or if it's downloaded, you need to tap on the application once you've searched. For example, I'll go with this application. And once you're on your AJIO application settings, you need to just go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then go with clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to search for AJIO. And once you find the application, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and uninstall the application and then again reinstall it. Once you've reinstalled, your problem might be fixed. You can go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.